Are you looking for the best electric pole saw? Here we will break down the top 7 electric pole saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Remington RM1035P Ranger 2 Electric Pole Saw. Remington makes some of the best pole saws available. And this is our top pick because it's a 2-in-1 model that gives you the luxury of switching from pruning tree branches to cutting logs in a matter of seconds. Plus, this electric pole saw has the longest cutting bar length at 10 inches. It also has an extendable reach of 10 feet. That means you can actually trim and prune branches that are 15 to 18 feet above you, since that telescopic measurement doesn't take your height and arm reach into account. At number 2. JOE SWJ802E. Another top-rated electric pole saw that we want to cover in our electric pole saw reviews is the JOE SWJ802E 9 feet 6.5 amp electric pole chainsaw with adjustable head. At only 7.9 pounds, this saw is one of the lightest that you will find here. It is easy to use and also to handle. It is also powered by a reliable 6.5 amp motor. At number 3. BLACK+DECKER LPP 120 Pole Saw. Black & Decker is known for two things: quality and durability. This model took place on our list with its awesome performance. You may find this saw a little bit higher priced than its competitors, but it's worth your investment. However, there's one benefit: this is a cordless pole saw. At number 4. JOE SWJ800E Pole Saw. If you're looking for the best electric pole saw for the money, we've got two words for you: JOE. For a much lower cost than the other saws on this list, the JOE SWJ800E gives you similar features, including an 8-inch blade, a 6.5 amp motor, and an 8.7-foot extendable pole that'll have no trouble reaching up to your sketchiest tree limbs. The only parts of this saw that really save budget are the electrical cord and the handle. At number 5. Remington RM1025 SPS Ranger 10-inch Electric Pole Saw. If you need to go the extra mile in your pruning or trimming, Remington RM1025 SPS Ranger got you covered. This electric pole saw features a 2-in-1 detachable aluminum pole saw that can reach 10 to 15 feet high branches with great expertise. With an impressive 8-amp electric motor and a 10-inch long bar, this chainsaw helps you power through branches with ease, making pruning easy. At number 6. WORX WG320 Jaw Saw. Made specifically as a chainsaw, this weighs about 11.68 pounds, polished mainly in black and orange color. Manufactured from durable plastic, this device comprises an oval-shaped easy-grip handle, a black finished shaft, and a scissor-like design cutting saw. Having a scissor-like cutting action, its steel bar measures 6 inches, inducing a 4-inch cutting depth for convenience and flexible cutting. At number 7. WORX Electric Pole Saw and Chainsaw. Here come the WORX WG323 Electric Long Stick Saw and Chainsaw all together. You can use this tool as both the pole saw and a chainsaw without any accessories. And for that reason it's simply perfect for pruning, trimming, or lopping small, medium, and high branches.